This Vista Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Vincent Serhan. Ocean View Rare Lowest Priced 1-bedroom single-level condo, 778 square feet, in Rancho Palos Verdes. Leave your cares behind. Open the sliding glass doors which open up to the deck where you can enjoy gazing at the ocean and canyon views as you relax with your favorite beverage. This home has been tastefully updated and includes newer appliances. With laminate flooring throughout. The assigned parking space is conveniently located with elevator access. Manager on site to care for your needs. The gated resort-like setting is meticulously maintained. Amenities include a community clubhouse, 2 swimming pools, jacuzzi, barbecue and gym. Near walking trails, shopping, dog park, Peninsula Racquet Club, Los Verdes Golf Club, Hesse Park, award-winning schools and the luxurious Terranea Resort. Experience the classic staycation vacation in your very own home and relax in this resort-style environment. Low HOA at $362 per month. For more information, review the details below.